What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Tonight on Roadie Snacks, we're going to be trying out some beer battered onion rings Ruffles. That's what those look like. I was able to find these over at Walmart. And one of my buddies that I'm a YouTube subscriber to, Skirk, he made up this suggestion to try these Lester's Fixins sodas. They come in a 6-pack, so this is going to be part 1. I'll be having part 2 later. This one's going to be Buffalo Wing soda, ranch dressing soda, and sweet corn. Now, I'll probably be putting part 2 when it comes up in the cards and down in the description. But we're going to go ahead and start off with chips.
5 minutes later.
Don't really taste much in the way of... Don't really taste much. Don't really smell much in the way of onion. It does have a bit of onion flavor to it. I forgot to show them. That's what it looked like. Nothing real special. Oops. They're decent. I was almost kind of expecting to get like a Funyuns flavor. And I like Funyuns. I gonna have to really be in the mood for them, but these are pretty good.
Who's your little who's this? Who's your turtle dove? Who's your little who's this? Who do you love? Who's the little what's this? That you're dreaming?
They're not bad. I'd give them a 3.5 out of 5. If I saw these again, yeah, like I said, with Funyuns, I kind of have to really be in the mood for them. But if I'm in the mood for them, I would actually get these again. They're pretty decent. 3 out of 5. That's pretty good. Now to go with the suggestion from Skirk, we're going to go ahead and do these Lester's Fixins sodas. I'm going to start off with the sweet corn.
Later that same evening.
Oh. It smells like corn. It says on here, get all your Fixins. And that's what it says here on the bottom of the bottle there. Yeah, there we go. Let's try it. Yeah, it tastes like sweet corn. I'm not. I wasn't expecting drinking corn before, and surprisingly, I mean, it's not bad. I was expecting a lot worse, but would I get it again? No.
Nope.
I'm speechless. That it's not bad, but like I said, I wouldn't buy it again. Next, we're going to try the Buffalo Wing soda.
Where's the Mountain Dew?
I don't even smell anything. It's got a little bit of a burn on the back end, but it tastes like an orange soda. Yeah, it's like an orange soda with a little bit of a spice to it. Again, surprising. I thought this was going to be... again, not bad. Probably a little bit better than the sweet corn one. And last but not least, we're going to be trying the ranch dressing soda. This one's probably going to be the weirdest out of the whole group.
75 years later.
Hello?
Oy.
Bruh.
Oh, God.
Wow.
Ugh. My God, that's nasty.
Fail.
I'm not even going to give that one a second drink. Oh, God, that was terrible. I need a chip to kill the taste of that. My eyes are sweating, it's that bad. Oh.
I'm going to be sick.
Ugh, and it's still not killing the flavor. That's at least a little better. Ugh.
I think I shall now be sick.
So in my order of, I guess you want to say favorites, I would say the buffalo wing sauce, then the sweet corn, as odd as that sounds, and yeah, ranch dressing. You couldn't pay me enough to drink another thing of that. The winner of the night and the savior of the night for my taste buds, the beer battered onion rings potato chips. Whew! Anyways, that'll do it for this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you've had any of these, what you thought about them, or what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie. You've been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.